Volkner Mobile Performance S Motorhome RV. The Volkner Mobile Performance S is one of the most extraordinary motorhomes ever created, priced at an astonishing $1.7 million. Often called the supercar of RVs, it merges sleek European styling with groundbreaking functionality. The highlight is its built-in garage, designed to carry a luxury sports car like a Ferrari or Lamborghini, seamlessly sliding out from beneath the vehicle. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of pure sophistication, featuring designer interiors, premium leather seating, handcrafted wood finishes, and cutting-edge smart home technology. With spacious living areas, a fully equipped kitchen, a luxurious master bedroom, and a spa-like bathroom, it offers everything you could ever dream of on the road. The Volkner Mobile Performance S isn't just transportation. It's a rolling palace built for those who live life at the very top. The Newell Coach P50. The Newell Coach P50 is one of the most stunning achievements in the world of luxury motorhomes, valued at nearly $2 million. Known as a moving penthouse, this masterpiece offers the sophistication of a high-rise apartment with the freedom of mobility. Inside, you'll find open-concept living areas, a chef-inspired kitchen, an opulent master suite, and a spa-like bathroom designed with premium finishes. Every inch is custom-built, offering owners the chance to personalize their motorhome to match their lifestyle. Beyond luxury, the P50 is powered by advanced engineering that delivers smooth handling and long-haul reliability. It's not just a motorhome. It's the future of mobile luxury living, created for those who refuse to compromise. Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior, 2024. Horrifying discovery in the world. The Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior 2024 is unlike any motorhome ever built, often described as a horrifying discovery in the world of luxury travel. This futuristic creation blends the aesthetics of a spaceship with the elegance of a luxury penthouse. Its exterior design turns heads instantly, while inside you'll find a curved panoramic lounge, a master bedroom that feels like royalty, and a sky lounge on the rooftop that offers unmatched views. With cutting-edge technology, bespoke furnishings, and one of the most daring designs in the industry, the Palazzo Superior 2024 doesn't just redefine luxury travel. It shocks the imagination and proves that the future has already arrived. Prevost H345 Class A. The Prevost H345 by Millennium Luxury Coaches is a $2.8 million Class A masterpiece, blending engineering excellence with true luxury living. On the outside, its towering design commands attention on the road, while inside, handcrafted interiors bring five-star comfort to your journey. This motorhome features exquisite materials, from exotic woods and Italian leather to custom stone countertops. Equipped with cutting-edge tech, advanced safety systems, and plush amenities, it ensures that every trip feels like a first-class experience. Anderson Mobile Estates, redefining mobile living. Anderson Mobile Estates is more than just a motorhome. It's a complete redefinition of mobile living. Built for the world's elite, including Hollywood celebrities and business moguls, this luxurious estate on wheels combines unmatched craftsmanship with innovative design. Imagine a two-story expandable motorhome equipped with a private master suite, a full kitchen, spacious living areas, and even custom entertainment zones that rival high-end mansions. Anderson Mobile Estates isn't just travel, it's living without limits.